Hey everyone, how are you? So today I will be discussing about the last year IBPS computer awareness questions, which has came in the 2016 IBPS PO mains exam, and this will be very helpful if you are preparing for the IBPS PO mains exam for 2017, or if you are going for any further IBPS PO exam. So let's start and discuss one by one. Basically, we will be discussing around 20 questions in this short video. So our first question, which among the following is not a mobile operating system? So what are the options we have? We have the option like Pada, Safari, Symbian, Migo, and WebOS. So the first option, Bada, this is basically a mobile operating system. It was developed by Samsung. Second option is Safari. Safari is a web operating system and it was developed by Apple. So this will be the correct answer, you can say. Let's discuss the other options as well. The third option is Symbian. Symbian is also a mobile operating system. It was developed by Symbian Limited Company. The fourth option is like Migo. Migo is also a mobile operating system and it was developed by Nokia. The last option which we have is WebOS. So WebOS is a freeware mobile operating system and this is basically for the smartphones, smart tablets you can use there. So out of these five options, Safari is one of the option which is not a mobile operating system. It is basically a web operating system. So our right answer is Safari. Let's move forward and discuss the next question. So which among the following key can be used as a shortcut to rename a folder in Microsoft Windows 8 and higher version? Higher versions are like 8.1 or 10. So what are the options we have? We have the options like F2, F4, F6, F9 and F11. So let's discuss one by one what are the use of these shortcut key. So F2 is a shortcut key which is used to rename a folder. Whenever you want to rename a folder, just go on the folder, select it and press F2. You will get an option to rename the folder. Whatever folder you want to name it, you can put and you can save it. So this is the correct answer, you can say. So let's discuss what are the other options we have. We have F4. So basically F4 is a shortcut key which you can use in Internet Explorer. When you are pressing F4, you will get a address bar on the screen. So this is used for getting the address bar in Internet Explorer. So what is the use of F6? So F6 is also a shortcut key which is used to move the cursor if you are in Internet Explorer. And what about F9? So F9 is not having basically any use in window. However, we use this with some of the shortcut like Control Alt in Microsoft Word. And the last option, which is F11. F11 is an option which we can use to go to the full screen mode if you are using Internet Explorer. So out of these five options, F2 is the correct answer and it is only used for renaming the folder. Let's move forward and discuss the next question. AT&T designed its first commercial modem specifically for converting the digital computer data to analog signal for transmission across its long distance network. What is the name of that modem? So options are like Telex, Memex, Composer, Bell 100 dataset and Dataphone. So this is basically a question which you need to memorize. Dataphone is the one of the correct answer. It was developed in 1960 by AT&T and this was the oldest technology, you can say. Apart from this, Bell 100 dataset, it was developed in 1962. So this will be not the oldest one. And apart from this, there are some terms like telex. Telex are basically used for telegraphy purpose. It is not a digital converter. We have Memex and CompuServe also, but these technologies are not AT&T proprietary. So the correct answer will be the data phone. It was developed in 1960 and it was developed by AT&T. So this will be the first commercial modem which was developed by AT&T. Let's move to the next question. So this question is like integrated chips or ICs were started to be in use from which generation of computers? Options are like first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. So out of these five, let's see which generation of computer, which technology was in use. So for the first generation of computer, basically we were using vacuum tubes, and this generation of computer was used. Basically this generation is referred as a period between 1942 to 1954. So in this we were using vacuum tubes. The second generation of computers are referred from 1952 to 1964, and in this generation we were using transistor as a technology. Okay, so in the third generation of computer, basically the ICs were came into use, and this generation of the computer is basically referred from 1964 to 1972. And for fourth generation, we started using like VLSI, very large scale integrated ICs, and this generation refers to 1972 to 1990. So in this generation we were using VLSI as a technology, while the fifth generation of the computer we were using UVLSI. So our correct option is the third generation. The third generation of the computer was the generation in which we were using the ICs. Okay, let's move to the next question. So in this question we have, like, in computer programming there is a set of subroutine definition protocols and tool for building software and application. Which among the following is a term for set of requirement that govern how an application can talk to another application? So basically we need to find out the answer which will provide the communication between one application to the another applications. So what are the options we have? We have these five options. Out of these five options we can see, like, first option is UPS. UPS means uninterrupted power supply. It is a hardware device, so anyway it is not related to application or programming. So let's go to the next option. What is API? API means application programming interface. This is a interface over which a program or an application, an object, will talk with another object, another application. So this is the one which we were looking for. One application can talk to another. So API is an interface over which one application can talk to the another application. So this is the right answer. Let's discuss what are the options we have, like CGE. What is CGE? CGE is computer generated imagery. This is a graphic technology over which we can design image, we can design 3D images. So this is a technology basically used to generate images. What is Z2E? Z2E is a very popular word. Basically this is a platform independent Java centric event. So this is basically used to program Java programs, and it contains a set of rules, services, APIs, applications, and another things. So this is also not the correct option where application is going to talk with another application. Last option we have is the OLE. What is OLE? OLE is basically object linking and embedding. So this is used to embed or link two documents or two objects. So our final answer is API. API is a interface over which one application can talk to the another applications. Let's move to the next question. So this question is like BSODs can be caused by poorly written device drivers or malfunctioning hardware such as faulty memory, power supply issue, overheating of component or hardware running beyond its specification limit. Which color screen is displayed when encountered a BSOD error? So we have the option like red, gray, black, blue, green. So basically what is BSOD? BSOD is basically blue screen of death. This is a very popular term used in Windows. So as the name itself suggests, it is blue screen of death. So our option is going to be nothing but blue. We can simply say blue is the correct option. Let's move to the next question. So the next question is, which among the following is smallest unit in an image in a computer screen? So what are the options? Unit, pixel, array, resolution, clip. So out of these five options, unit is what? Unit is the what? Any smallest thing, we can refer it as a unit. So unit can be anything. It is not a SI, or it is not a standard term, you can say. So for image, what can be the smallest unit? We have pixel, we have array, resolution, clip. So out of these options, you can see pixel is the smallest unit for image in a computer screen. And rest other like resolution, it basically refers to the quality of image, or how the resolution is, how the image is going to be resolved. This is basically resolution, so it is not the correct option. Clip, what is clip? A short clip, you can say a video clip. Clip is that term, a very small unit of video, we refer it as a clip. Array, like a pattern which consists of a column and row, that is known as array. So this is also not going to be the answer. So the smallest unit of an image in a computer screen is nothing but pixel. So this is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. So in this question, we have like Microsoft Word is a word processor developed by Microsoft. In MS Word, spelling check is a feature available in which of the tab? So this we know, like Microsoft Word is a word processor developed by Microsoft. That's why it is known as MS Word. But the question is like, what is the feature to check the spelling? Okay. So what are the options we have? We have like file, home, insert, review, references. So out of these options, file we can basically save the current document. In home we have different options, like we can edit, we have different layouts, we have different we can select the text, whatever text and whatever style you want to take. You can select the colors whichever you want to select. In the insert option, you can insert various different graphics, you can insert images, you can insert tables, columns, different things you can insert. And the fourth option is like review. So review is an option where you can do the spelling check in Microsoft Word. So this is going to be our correct answer. So in MS Word,
to review or to do a spelling check, you can go in the review option and you can do the spelling check. So this is going to be the correct answer. Let's move to the next question and see what we have. So in this question we have, like, there is a network that can connect networks ranging from small location to a bigger range, including a public packet network and large corporate network. The network enterprise allow user to share access to applications, services and other centrally located resources. Its ability for use geographical access has transferred networking. Which among the following is that network? So we need to identify, basically what we need to identify, a network which will be ranging from small location to a area to a bigger range, including public packet network. So what can be the answer? Let's go to the options. We have like SAN, CAN, LAN, WAN and MAN. So in this all terms, let's see what is the full form of these terms. Basically SAN. SAN means storage area network. This is a networking technology used to do storage. So this is not going to be the correct answer. What is SAN? SAN is the controller area network. So this is basically used at the processor level, microprocessor or controller level. This is also not going to be the correct answer. LAN is basically the local area network. It is for a small area, a building you can say, or a floor you can say. This we use. What is WAN? WAN is a wide area network, and this is a networking technology which is used for a small location and area bigger than range, including the public packet. So if public packet is coming, means some cloud will be coming and we are going to have a network between two PCs, and if we are communicating from one PC to the two other PC with the cloud, through the cloud, then it is going to be the wide area network. So this is the very nearby to our answer. Let's see what is the last option. Last option is MAN. So what is MAN? MAN is a metropolitan area network. So this is a network basically used for a city you can say, or a limited boundary of space. So we will prefer WAN as our correct answer, because this is the option in which public packet networks is also going to come, large corporate networks is also going to come. So this is the correct answer, WAN. Okay, let's move to the next question. So in this question we have, like, which among the following is not a object oriented programming language? So basically we need to find out which is not a programming language. So what is a object oriented programming language? Object oriented programming language are those languages in which we will create object groups or we will create object. So what are the options we have? We have the option like Python, Pascal, Java, C++, Ruby. So I am telling you, out of these all 5 options, only Pascal is a computer language which is not a object oriented based. Rest other like Java, C++, Ruby or Python, these all languages are object oriented and we will be creating objects in these languages. Only in the Pascal we are not going to create any object. So this is our correct answer. Let's move to the next question. So in this question we have the question like which cloud is a cloud computing environment that uses mix of on-premises private cloud and third-party public cloud services, which orchestration between the two platform, and it is particularly valuable for dynamic and highly changeable workloads. So basically we need to find mix of premises and private cloud, third party, public, these all. So what are the options we have? We have the like dynamic, advanced, hybrid, sharing, combined. So basically hybrid cloud is an environment that uses the mix of on-premises, private cloud and third party. So this is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. What is the correct answer? Let's discuss one by one. What is decryption and what is encryption? When you are encrypting a data into some code, it is known as encryption. When you are decrypting a data or changing the data from code to the original data, it is known as decryption. So basically encryption and decryption are two related technologies, and this is a technology over which we will be changing something into some particular code, and that particular code is going to be delivered at the destination end, and there we will be changing the code into the original you can say original data. So these two are not going to be our answer. What is firewall? Firewall is a basically device, or you can say it can be used as a software on your system which will be filtering the data. So basically this is a filter, you can say. Automation, anything which is getting automated, means we have certain commands, we have certain programs which will do the works automatically, that is used for automation. What is authentication? Authentication is a process by which we allow a right person or a genuine person to access a certain network, to access a certain file. So in our questions it has been asked like allowing a person on network based on credentials. So during the authentication process you will feed a username, you will feed a password to maintain the security of your network. So authentication is the correct answer. This is the process which we are referring here. Whenever we are doing a security check based on the credentials, we are saying it as a authentication. So authentication is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. So in this question we have the use of combination of ones and zeros is feature of which of the following type of computer languages? So what is 0, what is 1? So basically 0 and 1 is a combination we can use, and we call those as binary digits. These are the binary digits. We have the options like high level language, Pascal, machine language, C, COBOL. So as you know, Pascal is a programming language, C is also a programming language, COBOL is also a programming language, and high level languages are also those languages which can be understand over the application. But what usually a machine learns the machine language. The electrical signals will be converted into these binary 0 and 1. So 0, the use of combination of 1 and zeros is a feature of which of the following type of computer language? So machine language is the correct option, and in this language only we will be using 0 and 1 as a feature. Okay, so let's move to the next question. So in this question we have like which among the following is a recent debated principle that in internet services, service providers and government regulating the internet should treat all data on the internet the same, not discriminating or charging differentially by users, content, website, platform, application, type of attached equipment or mode of communication. So what are the options we have? We have the options like Comcast, net neutrality, oblique net fraternity, and fair web. So this, as we are discussing the 2016 IBPS PO exam, Net neutrality was a term which was very hot topic at that time, and it was used for the neutrality of net to this to so, to regulate the internet. Basically, it was used for the regulate the internet, how data should be treated, whether it should be chargeable or not, what should be the content and all. So net neutrality was a term which was used at that time, and nowadays, means in this year question, you can't expect this because this is a question which has been asked last year, and this is a basically current topic question. Okay, let's move to the next question. What we have in the next question we have, like, which among the following is an important circuitry in a computer system that directs operation of processor? So what are the options we have? We have the options like memory, address bus, accumulator, ALU, and control unit. Out of these, memory is a term, or you can say it is a area where you will be storing a data. So wherever, when you are storing a data, you are saying that as a memory. Address bus is basically a circuitry or a transport medium through which a data is going to be transferred. What is a accumulator? Accumulator is basically computing, so the immediate data which is going to be saved in the central processing unit, it is known as accumulator. What is ALU? ALU is the arithmetical logical unit. So it is a unit which will be doing all these arithmetic and logical computations. It will be functioning as a calculator, you can say, in a computer. So control unit is the unit which is a circuitry in the computer that directs the operation of the processor. So basically control unit directs all the operation of the processor. So this is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. So in this question we have, like, MS Word is a text or a document editing application program that comes in the package of MS Office suite. Which among the following given which among the given option is not related to the MS Word? So what are the options we have? We have page layout, antivirus, mailing, format painter, smart art. So as you know, page layout is the option you will get in MS Word. Antivirus you will not get in the MS Word. Mailing option is there, format painter option is there, smart art option is also there. So antivirus is the correct answer. I will suggest you, if you are preparing for the exam and for these kind of questions, like based on MS Word, uh, based on PowerPoint presentation and other tools of Microsoft Word, I will suggest you to go through the MS Word, go through the PowerPoint, do some work there, start exploring all the options we have in MS Word, in PowerPoint presentation, over the Excel. So this will really going to help you if you are preparing for the exam. So let's come to the next question. Which among the following is another name for a group of 4 bits? So what are the options we have? Let's see. We have like nibble, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, and petabyte. So nibble is the smallest unit, you can say. 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble. So this is the correct answer. Then what are the byte is used for? So byte is basically 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, 8 bits. So what is kilobyte? It is nothing but 1024 bytes. So basic in this way kilobytes will be like 1024 and megabytes will be 1024 into 1024. Similarly for petabytes means it will be like 15 times. So this is the process. This is the mm, this way we are defining the datas. Bits is a basically the smallest unit of data, and after that we have like nibble, and after that we have byte, then we have kilobyte, we have megabyte, we have petabyte, we have tetrabyte, we have different terms we have like that. So nibble is basically refers to the 4 bits. Let's move to the next question. So in this question we have like which among the following given option is a IBM's supercomputer. So we have like Theanet 2, Sunway, Thayu, Light, Watson, Sasra T, Brain. So this question basically you can memorize it, and Watson is the correct answer. This is a IBM supercomputer. Although these all are the supercomputers developed by different companies. So the supercomputer which is developed by IBM is nothing but Watson. So this is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. So in this question we have like which is a feature included in Microsoft PowerPoint software that allows the user to see all the slides in a presentation at one time. So if you want to see all the slides of your presentation at one time, what will be the correct answer? We have like slide sorter, slide master, handout master, slide headers, reading view. So out of these options, slide sorter is a option where you will be able to view all the PPTs on a single time, on one time. So this is the correct answer. These all are the options we have in PowerPoint to get the views of, like, it is a reading view. To get the reading view, slide handout master is a way to get the handout view of the PowerPoint presentation. So basically, as I told you earlier also, to get experienced or get the expert of these questions answer, you start using PowerPoint, you start using Excel, you start using MS Word, all the Microsoft app based application. Please start using that. It will be very helpful, and it will improve your presentation, and it will improve your word skill as well. So let's move to the next or the last question. So let's discuss the last question, and this will be the last question of this whole presentation. So which among the given options does not have a flash memory? So what are the options we have? Like pen drive, hard disks, car radio, memory cards, memory stick. What is basically a flash memory? So flash memory is those memories which is not lost in absence of power. So out of these options, car radio is an option which don't have the flash memories. All the like devices like pen drive, hard disks, memory card, memory sticks, these devices don't need any power supply to store the memories. So the correct answer is car radio. So thank you guys. These all we discussed. I hope you like this video, and I will come again with some more interesting topics and some more questions to discuss, so that you can crack the IBPS PO mains exam for 2017 onwards. Thanks guys.